Good morning. Let me edit this. Edit. Change the date. We might get a trade in, yeah, we're probably going to get a trade in natural gas and in, let me share this, natural gas and copper. Shoot. Let me send this to the other group. I hope everyone's doing well. It's Friday. Exciting stuff in the holiday season. All right. I came on a few minutes early because I saw that this could potentially have a trade. So yeah, it looks like copper, I don't know if I really want a copper short here because we have a strong support. But copper as well as natural gas, both might take a trade here.
Order submitted.
All right, so I'm in this short of natural gas. Oh, I'm also in copper. You can see both of them here, since they're on sober charts. They're both red right now. Let's give it some time. Oh yeah, let me move this over here. I was jamming out this morning. Got some good music on. Hey, Ryan. How are you? Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let me minimize. Pull this down a little bit. All right. I got everything set up and ready to go. I have 2 contracts total on both of these. So I have 4 contracts short right now. Hey, Jen. Hey, hey. Oh, why is copper red 400? Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Ugh. I said I didn't really like copper from this standpoint, but okay. I might just cancel copper here. This is gross. We'll see if we pull back here a little. It's 9:12. We'll see with this next 5-minute candle. I did move my stop down a bit because I'm not trying to have like a $2,000 loss on copper when that's not really my front runner anyway. And this is what Darian's going to come for me and say, see, Lauren, I told you. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Alvin. Darian's going to come for me and say, Lauren, I told you. All you have to do is run NQ20. Like I don't already know that, but then I like to diversify, I guess. The only thing I freaking made this week on copper was $250. Like, that's not worth it. Yeah, I'm going to be getting out of this. So I made 250 on copper this week, but it's going to end up being like a red 500. It is what it is. Losses happen. I just don't know copper and natural gas very well, and that's why typically I hesitate to take products I don't know very well, just because...
Order canceled.
All right, so I got out of copper at negative 700 with 2 minis. So I should probably just stick to products I know. Natural gas, I'm going to give it some more time. I had mentioned that I didn't really like the copper short here because they have a strong support level. You can see how far back it goes, and it's been holding this overall long for a bit now, so I would have much preferred like a long on copper off of, but obviously it broke through, so. All right, so I'm out of copper. Now we can watch this natural gas, see if natural gas wants to pull back, make up for some of that loss I just took. I feel like natural... Is this not... Oh, let me move this over. I guess my charts are too wide right now. Let me minimize them. And let me move this over. Why are my charts so big? I guess I made them bigger yesterday. All right. All right, that's better. All right, natural gas is moving in the right direction. Let's see if that can make up for this copper trade. All right, we're almost back to even on this natural gas trade. We'll see if we can get a nice move with that. The markets are beasting today. I saw a tweet. I think consumer reports were at 8:30 today, but then I also saw a tweet. Is this in your vision? That Biden said something about like no shutdowns and no closing countries or something like that. So yeah. So that could be helping the market, which is great because I'd love to see it. But yesterday when we were kind of talking, I thought we would get the bounce yesterday. We didn't. If you look at yesterday, it was kind of just sideways. It did drop at the open and then come back up and then kind of just stayed sideways all day. Today, it looks a little cleaner. It's Friday. We'll see if we can get a nice move. I already made my tea. 13 minutes till the market opens. Well, now, we were 100% on the week before this HG trade. We were 3, 4, 5, 6 of 6 for the week. Now we're going to be 6 of 7. Well, it might even be worse with this natural gas. Natural gas hadn't taken any trades all week. Like, this is the first trade it's taken this week. So, it would be nice if it came down and went green and then maybe did like a break-even offset kind of thing even. I wouldn't be mad at it. Good morning, everyone that is still joining. I want to see if I could pull this over just a little more. All right, that should be good. So the other setups I have are YM which obviously is in an uptrend with the market. So we may or may not get a trade here. And then the range comes into play later. It's funny because it just bounced off of our range from before. Look at, that copper is gross. All right, so I'm just removing this so you can see everything else. I'm probably not going to be running copper anymore. Nasty. Natural gas is moving in the right direction. We are green finally on natural gas. Like I said, let's see if we can make up for the loss in copper. Get some movement in the downward direction. What? I don't think I have any. So I don't have any covered calls. Let's talk about my plan for the day. All right, we're moving down here in this natural gas trade. Currently green to 80. Where are the apps? More? Apps. Jiffy or something. Wait, so now where is it? All right, 320. That's nice. Oh wait, how do I use the app? Is this the app? No. What? Oh, Andy, you could probably tell me this. Well, maybe not. Browse app directory. One app in BoldBot. People love a GIF. GIF. Didn't I already add this? Maybe not. Add to Slack. Maybe I needed to put this integration. I don't know. Save integration. Is it there now? Oh, there it is. So you do the Jiffy, and then you put in a text. I did a Snoopy one. All right, 400 on this natural gas trade. This is definitely helping to make up for some of that copper loss. 420. Where am I? Where's Oh no, he'll be like, I only like edibles. I was gonna say, where are my smokers at? You must listen to. No, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, right? I can't tell if I got that 460, so it's going to oh, the bugger. I can't curse, then I won't be able to have.
Order canceled.
All right, I got out early on this natural gas trade. I don't know. Now I'm like contemplating how I feel about natural gas and, well, natural gas, it seems to be okay, but I'm definitely not going to be running that copper again. All right, so 280 on natural gas. It went down to like 480, but it is what it is. Now I'm only red 400. And I had manually traded, what was it? I manually traded NASDAQ earlier, so. All right. If you're still in this natural gas, it's pulling back. going a bit lower. What time is it? Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, the market's about to open. I have AMD. I'm too busy talking about GIFs with Darian. All right, I got my AMD up. It's probably going to just gap up pretty heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and just, well, I guess I don't have to close out natural gas. I guess I'll just leave it here. I don't have many other things running. So YM probably won't get a trade. Let's be honest. We have already had 3 this week. All right, all right, all right. There's that gap up on AMD. Oh, so my plan for Amazon or Tesla is to potentially get some. See, but I actually don't like getting them on Fridays. But if I'm doing Amazon a few weeks out, it should probably be okay. The 17th for like 3,700. 3680. Oh, it's so low. Do I need to do that? 3650. But see, I'm afraid it's just going to be. So I might just give it some time. See what happens today at the open. Tesla's having a hard time. Oh, look at that. Oops. So I have everything turned on here with AMD. I guess if it wants to go short, market's pulling back hard, but I feel like it's going to be a red to green move. Yeah, I don't really want to short with AMD, so I think the markets are going to have a bigger move today. We will see. It's Friday. Alright, well, AMD isn't this long. I could buy a few hundred shares.
Order failed.
Not sure those best running up into this resistance. We'll see if I can hold it. I only have 400 shares. If it can get over this, I'll add some more. It seems like it's
order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Markets are pushing.
Order failed.
All right, we'll see if it can push above. We'll give it some time. It's a hard level. Yes, and NQ are moving nicely.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So this trade is not off of the Algo.
Order submitted.
This is just off of.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. It's just a manual trade because it was already in a long from the open. That I just wanted to kind of get in here because I feel like the overall market is going to move higher today, and now Tesla is green. So I wanted to just kind of get in on a little bit of this action. Not on my full sizing. This is only a third of my normal sizing, so And that mostly has to do with this resistance level at 152. If we can break this 152, it could easily go to like 159. We just got to break it and actually stay over. We will see. YM, isn't it green? Move, so we probably won't get a trade there. And then the NASDAQ range is not until later, as most of you I'm sure know by this point, even if you're not in the group. Like I say it every day, so. So I'm pretty much probably even on the day right now with the algorithm. Well, because in this account, I manually traded the NASDAQ for like $350. So $650, and then I was down 700 on copper. So I'm pretty much just flat on the day in the algorithm, including the NASDAQ trades. Obviously, this AMD trade is in my TD Ameritrade account.
Order filled.
I'm going to see if adding
here
is going to help me or not.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
We will see. Don't. I can see it's pretty normal. They had a big push. The markets are pulling back a little bit. It's 9:35. See how important, I don't know, like see how important levels are. Oh, also I should turn this off because if it takes a short, I obviously don't want that. Oh, remember, Dennis, are you on the live stream? I need to set my status because people are... Oh, I need to pause notifications. Because people are on... Edit status. Status. How does it do this? Pause notifications. Oh, wait. I need to do something. Where are we at? Swing? Alright, I might have to cut this AMD, which will suck, but because I really think we're just going to get a bounce here. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. Okay. Well, I was going to say, if we can't hold this level, then I'm just going to get out.
Order filled.
That was nasty. I guess I should have let the algorithm do its thing. But I don't know if I would have been in that short anyway. I guess I would have because it hit that level and rejected. So I closed my position, which then took the algo off. But that short was actually beautiful on the algo. Oh. Damn it. I'm kind of doing things differently today. Maybe it's because of that copper trade. I don't know. But my overall bias for the day, and I guess people say you shouldn't have one, is that the market was going to continue higher. And so I just thought it would have enough strength to get through this 152, but it didn't. So it is what it is. I could have been patient and waited and then watched what was happening, which was the rejection of 152, and then allowed the algorithm to take the short. That would have gotten short right here, like 150.47. And it dropped 2 points immediately. If I had my whole sizing, that would have been $6,000. Did I already have this level drawn? Yeah, I did. Look at that bounce. 148. I was thinking I might get a bounce off this 150.27 or 25, but it broke right through that. And now NASDAQ is pulling back. YM is still nowhere near taking a trade, so... So it might be a boring Friday, other than we did have 2 trades so far. One was a loser, one was a winner, and then my manual trade was a loser, $2,000. That's okay, that's okay. See, if I would have gotten in some covered calls when Amazon and Tesla were green, now they're both red, that probably would have helped. Just to offset some. But... it's Friday. We'll see if NASDAQ 20 takes a trade. I don't think this YM is going to get to a place where it does, but it does still have a bit of time to do so. Like, I could have held some of my...
Order filled.
Oh, you know I still have the strategy on. I was going to say I probably could have held some of these. I don't know why I keep buying right before a freaking resistance level. That's so stupid. But I couldn't buy some of these, honestly, just to hold.
Order filled.
Because having 200 or 400 shares is easily something I can just hold overnight.
Order filled.
And AMD is a good company.
Order filled.
So I'll just kind of take a sizing here that I would be comfortable just holding long term. But then that means obviously I can't take the everyday trades in the algorithm. But knowing me, I probably won't hold it very long. Like if it goes green, I'll just take profit. And I don't know why I keep doing this. It's really stupid of me. It's like trading 101. And the markets are still dropping. It's so stupid of me. That was dumb. If I should have bought anywhere, it should have been down here. Alright. I was also... Now... markets look a little choppy this morning. Like, we were clearly moving higher. Now we're dropping, but it seems like NQ is going to hold it at this 50. Kind of has me all over the place. We'll see. I guess YM could take a trade if there's really a big pullback in the markets here. But ES, let's see if it can hold that range. Kind of mad at myself that I got in that long and then missed that short opportunity. That short was money. Like, that would have had me 5 for 5 on AMD this week. Just following the algo. You never know. We could get some huge afternoon rally that nets me $2,000. I'll probably have to size up at some point. All right. I should make a new hashtag. Too busy to trade. Made it. Oh, look, I'm green on this position now. I'm not touching it. We gotta wait. The markets need some time. The markets need like 10:30 to come so we can figure out what the plan for the day is. It's funny because I used to say all you needed to do was trade from 9:30 to 10. Like, if you're a scalp trader, you could definitely do that and make really good money. But now that we've kind of figured out this NASDAQ thing, I feel like you could just show up at 10:30 each day and be like, oh, okay. And then kind of just go from there. I'm like really mad at myself that I didn't get this AMD short. Ryan, I hope you got it, because that was really stupid of me. Hi, Mr. T. Haven't the markets had enough blood this week?
Order filled.
How about another 100 shares there? NASDAQ is pulling back up. ES is bouncing off that level. I don't mind the ES long here off of 83. I really don't like ES, or else I would probably take this trade. Like, I honestly hate trading ES. It gives me so much just unhappiness.
Order filled.
Add another 100 shares there.
Order filled.
So clearly some of this I'm going to have to... Oh, okay. I'm going to have to scale out some of this that pops up.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Because it's a bigger position than I would hold going into next week. And if it keeps wanting to be red, then I'm just going to close it. Ugh. I don't know why this is so... I guess it was pretty clear. I'm just going against the trend, and that's probably not smart. I want it to be 10:30 already. Oh, no. It's about to test the lows.
filled. Order submitted.
Do you see how I keep doing this?
Order filled.
What did they say? Insanity is doing the same thing, hoping to get a different
Order
result.
submitted.
Clearly, I'm stuck on this bullish
Order submitted.
market play today. And I'm not right. I'm not right at all. Alright, I'm going to get out of this. NASDAQ is dumping again. It went down to 20.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm down like 2,800 on AMD today. I guess I'm glad I didn't get in that long of the ES, right? Blah. Down. My large portfolio's down 12,000 on the day, which isn't that bad. But I really thought today was going to be green. Waking up and seeing these beautiful green candles. Seems like everybody was in the same... I'm going to have to, just minimize this chart because this is going to make me sick if this comes back up here. Is the H done and it's just going to go now? Get out of here. Get out of here. I used to have a rule that was 3 strikes and you're out. Because if you allow yourself to just keep trading the same thing all day and you're not doing well at it, then it's just going to lead to more losses. So, it's 9:50. Let me switch back around. Okay, well, all targets were hit on that. Jeez Louise. But, this seems like a big drop, but in the grand scheme of things, this is where we were yesterday. You know? Obviously, I would have liked if we would have gone somewhere up here. But we didn't. I wonder what happened with natural gas. Did it go and hit like TP1? The risk looks too big anyway. I didn't realize how large it was, so I'm probably not going to run it going forward. Okay, I might take this short of ES though. Unless ES wants to play games and then it just stays in this range.
Order filled.
We'll see. I'm just taking one. And it's already red. All right. Well, ES is being a little nice.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
See if we can make up some of this from earlier.
Order filled.
What time is it? 9:55.
Order filled. Order submitted.
ES pulled back up here, so let's just see what, if this is just a retest. I might add another position here. This is a 30-minute chart, so sometimes the candle is harder to play with. And today just might not be my day.
Order filled. Order submitted.
See if we can break this one more time. I just have to close this. I'd like it below 60, so this is not ideal. Look at that YM pullback. Like, not an actual pullback trade, but it went pretty low. See if we can break 60 again, that would be really good. But I don't know. Looks like it's trying to hold. Whatever happens here, I'm probably going to wrap it up after this because YM doesn't look like it's going to take a trade. It's Friday. It's 10 o'clock. And, I don't know. I feel like I'm like not really on my game. Like if I get rewarded for this ES, then that's great. But I feel like I'm just not doing really well today. And it seems like the markets are kind of all over the place anyway. If we can break 60, that's good. But it has to break 60. See how strong this is holding? 59. There's good, like goes to 60 and bounces right back up. There you go, 59. See if I can hit my 57. 58. 57. There we go, one tick away. One tick, one tick.
Order filled.
Alright, well that is a little better. But again, I still have to watch this 60 because that is the number. And Q's dropping more. Let's see if this one hits. Looks like it's going to.
Order filled.
Alright. Now I'm just going to put a trail on this one.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright.
Order canceled.
Alright, so I'm out of that ES manual trade that I normally don't do in this account. Like, sometimes I'll do the NASDAQ, but I don't do ES. Let's see. Okay, so I'm green $900 in this NinjaTrader account, but I'm red 28 on my AMD. So we'll see if NASDAQ takes a trade later in the next like 2 hours, and we'll report back. But I'm probably going to wrap it up here. It's Friday. It's 10 o'clock. I am not on my game today, which is fine. It can happen every now and then. Glad I locked up that natural gas. Those, I might just kind of throw those out the window. But, alright, thanks for joining, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday, hopefully with a fresher head. Really market this out. We ended all, Jesus. Yeah. There is no reason I should have manually traded AMD at any point in time. The algorithm knows exactly what to do with AMD, and I should have just based it off of the overall momentum, which would have been short when it rejected off of that level. So that is my biggest mistake for today. I easily, like, yeah, let's be realistic. I probably wouldn't have made $6,000 off of that short because I always kind of scale out really quickly. Oh my gosh. But I would have made easily 1,000 and I wouldn't be red 2,800. So, you know, that's a $4,000 swing, which is pretty large, especially when now my long-term holds are going to be super red. Oh, YM might take a trade here. Maybe. Did all of you log off? I was going to say maybe I'll stay on and see if YM takes a trade here. It would need another 7 minutes, so maybe not, but. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up. It's Friday. If you're in the group, you'll see if we take a trade anyway, so. Alright, guys, have a good one. See you Monday. Bye.